你们好, Chinese learners! Today, let's continue to learn the most important special word orders for beginners. Before we jump in, show us some love by hitting that subscribe button right here. 这里. Can these words make a sentence? 大, Shanghai, 很. Yes, to say Shanghai is very big, we simply say 上海很大. Notice there's no verb in the sentence, which may seem strange, but it is correct in Chinese and follows the special word order of subject, adverb, and adjective. Remember, when learning Chinese, do not rely on the grammar rules of your mother language, but embrace the special structures of Chinese. Let's give it another try. 好吃中国菜非常 How can you make a sentence? 中国菜非常好吃 Let's take a look at the next example, which involves another sentence without a verb. 她11岁 How would you say she is 11 years old in Chinese? It's actually quite simple, just 她11岁 Notice that we don't use the word is in the sentence. This may seem strange to those of us who speaks other language, but in Chinese grammar, it's perfectly acceptable and correct. This is another example of special Chinese word order, where we combine two nouns, in this case, a number and a noun. And as you can see, even without a verb, this is still a correct sentence in Chinese. Another example would be 今天星期四 It's Thursday today, also without a verb. Let me introduce you to the third example. How would you express what did she say or what does she say in Chinese? It is not 什么她说. The correct answer is 她说什么, which means she says what. We don't change the question word in Chinese like what we do in English. Instead, we just replace the part that we want to ask and place it in the sentence. Easy peasy, right? Let's see another example. 你哪儿去 Where are you going? Is it 你去哪儿 or 哪儿你去 Yes, 你去哪儿 How you state, how you ask. This is the special word order number 3 in Chinese. Let's practice. Please translate. Where do you learn Chinese? Please leave your answer in the comments. Congratulations! Now you've got all the essentials for beginner level grammar. I am Emily Wang, your dedicated Chinese teacher at GoEast. If you're eager to practice with a teacher like me in a live lesson, head over to our website and book a free trial. I can't wait to see you in class. 快来跟我们学习吧！